Making money is great, but if we can make money doing something that we love, then it's even better. So if you're a videographer, content creator, or just someone that owns a camera and wants to start landing some paid work, then I've got 10 ways for you coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today I want to help you start making money with video. Maybe you're just doing this as a hobby and want to earn a little bit of extra money on the weekends, or maybe you've been shooting videos for fun and are now looking to turn pro. Well, today I've got 10 money-making video ideas for you, starting with number 1. Work for free. Now, hear me out here, okay? This is a long-term strategy. Some people completely disagree, but it worked for me, and I can only talk from personal experience. Here is the reality of video production. Either a client will come to you and say, we would love for you to shoot us a video, in which case, no problem. Arrange the shoot, grab your camera, and go get paid. Or, and this is much more likely, you will need to approach a brand, because it's very competitive out there, and say, I would like to offer my services as a videographer. To which they will reply, okay, great. Do you have any examples of your work that we can see? If at this point you say no, forget it, you're done. It's imperative at this stage to have something to show that potential client. And if you're just starting out, the best way to do this is to shoot for free. Find a brand or business that you would like to work with. Tell them that you will shoot them a free 60-second video to help promote their business on social media. Now, make sure you do a good job. Understand their business goals, target audience, and create a tailored video to help them stand out. If you do a good job, that brand will hire you the next time they have a marketing budget. Worst case scenario, if they don't hire you, then at least you now have experience working with a brand and a solid case study to show other brands so that you can get future work. Social media. Promote yourself on Facebook and Instagram. Get known for shooting video. Offer your services. Is anyone out there looking for a promotional video for their business? Who's getting married this year and would like a videographer? Undercut your competition to get a foot in the door. You can then increase your prices once you've built up trust and a good reputation. Word of mouth. Do a good job and people will recommend you. Give out business cards, ask people to review your Facebook page. Word of mouth goes a very, very long way. Do a good job and this will skyrocket your video business. Shoot weddings. Another great foot in the door when it comes to paid video work. Start cheap and work your way up. Do your first one for free so that you have examples and build from there. This is literally how I started my video business. I shot my first wedding video for free, then used that video as an example to get more bookings with more couples. I then increased my prices, got lots of bookings, won multiple awards, and this gave me loads of experience when it came to video and provided me with a really good income. Second, shoot. Far less pressure. Hey look, if you're not confident enough yet to film a wedding all by yourself, then get in touch with wedding video production companies and ask if you can second shoot on any upcoming weddings. Word of warning, they will no doubt want to see something that shows them you know what you're doing. An example of your work maybe. So it's really important that you have this, and if you don't, you might need to do your first shoot for free. Gumtree, or Craigslist, I think you call it in America. Now yes, you're not going to land a big video job working for high-profile brands with a huge marketing budget, but what you will find is requests for things like birthdays, events, weddings even. And if there's nobody there looking for video services, then post an advert advertising your skills. I tried this when I first started out and I actually landed a few jobs. Now, the jobs didn't pay that well, but to be honest, I was just happy to be making money with video and there was no pressure. Facebook targeted ads. Now, if you get this right, you can land a lot of work and do really, really well. Two things are crucial here, okay? Number one, you need a solid video that shows off what you can do. And number two, you need to target that video to the correct audience. Here's an example, okay? When I first started out, I was struggling to get work. So what I did was edited a montage of 3 of my weddings, the best of the best footage that I had shot. I then targeted that show reel to newly engaged couples on Facebook. So when brides were scrolling through their feed, my video would pop up asking, are you looking for a wedding videographer? I got a lot of bookings this way and made a really great income. Walk into shops. Now, if you're feeling really confident, you can literally walk into any shop or any type of business and offer your services as a videographer. I personally haven't done this because I've found the other methods to be more effective, but for some people this really works. Be sure to check out these two videos. I will put links to them in the description below. One is by a YouTuber named North Borders and the other by Cody Wanner. These guys literally walk into shops and businesses and offer their services. These guys are real hustlers, great examples of people just going out there and making things happen. Stock footage. Now, nothing is guaranteed here, but if you're sat on a load of footage that you've already shot, why not upload it to a stock footage website and see what happens? Yes, the website will take a cut of your earnings, but there's still good money to be made when it comes to selling stock footage. And the best part is, the footage could literally be of anything. Footage of a random man eating ice cream. They've got it. Footage of a pencil being sharpened. They've got it. Anything goes when it comes to stock footage. Music videos. There are many musicians out there desperate to make a name for themselves, and one of the best ways for them to do that is to create a music video. No, you're not going to land a gig on Justin Bieber's latest music video, but what you will find are many musicians in your local area who are willing to pay you to help promote their music. So what have we learned? Let's summarize, okay? You are more than likely going to need to work for free at the beginning. This will get you the experience and a foot in the door in order for you to start getting paid. Have this mentality, okay? You don't get paid to go to school. You don't get paid to go to college. You pay to go to university, or at least you do here in the UK. And you do this because you want the knowledge, you want the skills. Working for free is really no different. This is a very temporary solution to get you where you need to be in the future, getting paid to make videos. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, let me know, give it the old thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about video production, learn some more video production skills so that you can start getting paid, then be sure to check out some of my other tutorials. You can watch one of those by clicking over there. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.